The 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, Bluetooth, driver and passenger airbag, cruise control, anti-theft security system, trip computer, clock, power door locks, tachometer, center console, wheel locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.